The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Wright Aesthetics.
Welcome back to the Bloom Better Health Special. There's a new pathway to a new you with a personalized epigenetic hair test. Joining us now is Elvira Wright, the owner of Wright Aesthetics, who is a trichologist and licensed pharmacist, to tell us more. Welcome back to Bloom, Elvira.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. New year, new me, right?
Yes, absolutely. And I actually had the epigenetic hair test done, and it's a really great way to jumpstart hair growth in 2022.
Absolutely, because you think about, we have 20 amino acids in our body. That's how it's built. 16 different vitamins, some fatty acids. Do you know which one you're missing through your food? And epigenetic hair test will help you to determine in 36 pages report what you're exactly missing. And at the end, it gives you 90 days plan how you can restore what you're missing in your body and start your new you with a wonderful foundation.
Yeah, that's what I love about Wright Aesthetics, is because not everyone's plan is equal. You tailor it to each individual, and you did that for me. And you gave me a list of foods that you wanted me to avoid for 90 days, which I did, and I was blown away about how quickly my hair started to growing. And you even were looking at my, hypothyroidism, like you look at everyone overall.
Exactly, because people didn't realize the hair is our antenna to outside world, but it's also indicate how your body will react to epigenetic factors to outside world. So when we do the test, it's going to be very personalized result. What is good for you might not good for me, and vice versa. And when you follow the directions, you will see amazing results, not just for your overall health, but when we do different type of procedures, weight loss, for example, non-surgical, or hair restoration non-surgical, or aesthetic medicine, it will propel the results in much better level when we start you with the basics.
And what's interesting about this test is it's so quick. Like, you painlessly pluck a few strands of hair, you put it into the device, and you almost start seeing the results immediately. It's just a matter of minutes, if I recall.
Yeah, 15 minutes, and you get this report, and you just start new pathway to new you.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So who will benefit from the test?
We actually now added on even for the baby. It starts from 2 years up to, well, until 80 and above. Yeah. For the babies, actually, they also get the saliva swab, because it's a little bit more complicated with the babies, but you can have that one as done, because we started to see a lot of babies coming with the allergy reactions to just regular food, and sometimes parents don't know what to do. We have some families, like family 5, 6, 10 coming with the relatives, and within an hour, we get all them tested, and then we go and discuss the results. So it's pretty quick and easy.
So this fits into your entire business model, because this is how you approach dealing with all different types of health issues.
Correct, because if you drive on the car, for example, and you see your engine light started to blink, you don't put the Band-Aid. That's what usually modern medicine usually does. Put on chronic diseases, put the Band-Aid. We go and do research what the cause of this type of issues. And the epigenetic test is one of the tools we use.
Now, when you did it, I started to see the hair growth coming back very quickly. Is that typical? I mean, do people, if they adhere to what you say, do they start to see the results?
Some people have, okay, my hair started to grow back because we reduced the inflammation in the body through the food they have to avoid. But they also say, oh, I lost 30 pounds in 90 days. From doing not much, just to follow recommendations.
These small adjustments. Elvira, it's always so great catching up with you. Thank you so much for coming back on Bloom.
Thank you. And we have some special promotionals for epigenetic tests.
Awesome. If you want to have the special promotion, you can call or text right now. Call 727-212-1755 to schedule an appointment. And for more information about the test and to see a video on the website, visit wrightaesthetics.com. We'll be back with Bloom's Better Health Special right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Wright Aesthetics.